So I just don't know what I'm going to say right now, but I'm just going to say it, because I used to say things really fast. So when I say a thing really fast, it means that everything that I'm going to say is about to say to be brilliant. And don't mind me biting my words sometimes and thinking otherwise than what I was supposed to think. Because when I talk fast, it means that absolutely everything is best and everything is magical and everything is what it's supposed to be. So, I didn't prepare anything to say to you right now, but I just know that it sounds smart, that it feels smart, and that it will be magical no matter what I say. Because when you have the ability to talk fast, even though you cannot think of anything else to say in your discourse, then it just sounds smart, evident, eloquent. It sounds like everything is sorted out in your life because you have a way to convince absolutely everyone and everything that you are the fastest thinker in eons that have been ever existed so that you could prove to yourself and others that you're actually the best person that has ever been existing in your life.